A very good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are not having nightmares about Tableau and exercises and data set. So are you comfortable whatever we have done in past 2 days, or is there any query related to the basic installation, basic charts, graphs? So please let me know, because we will be doing data preparation today. All right, so let's start today's session. So I'm starting with the PDF file, how to connect a PDF file in Tableau. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I have shared the PDF file in the chat box. I hope all of you have received. You can use your PDF files as well, whatever like you have access to. All right, else you can use whatever I have shared in the chat box. Have you received the file, all of you? Please just reply yes, no, raise your hand. Let me know if you have received the file. No, ma'am. Okay, I'll reshare it. Just give me a second. It is there in the chat window. Yes, so those who have joined little early, they do have access. Just a second. I'll reshare this file. Okay. So this is a report of economic well-being of US, okay, of 2016. So we'll be working on this. This is an old file, but the idea behind this is just to make you understand how to use data which is available in PDF form. All right. So I'm sharing the screen of Tableau. Next, just give me a second. Okay. So my screen is visible. Should I start? Yes?
Yes, yes. Your screen is visible.
Okay, all right. So I'll be using the same file, same PDF file, whatever I have shared in the chat box. Okay, so as you know, all these options now, how to connect different data files, right? If it is a Excel, you go here. If it is a CSV format, you will go to text file. If it is a JSON file, you will click here. If it is a Microsoft Access file, this thing. Next, now our file format is PDF. So I'll click on PDF file. All right. So you click on PDF file and load your file. So it will take like 1 or 2 minutes. And this is a heavy file. So if one time you are uploading the file, it will take some time. So this is the file. Open. So see, in this file, if you open the PDF file, all right, I am not opening the PDF file because my window will crash. So you can open the PDF file and you can check the pages, like which table you want to load here. Okay, if you do not know which table you want to load, if you want to load the whole PDF file, for example, your PDF file is of 5-10 pages and all 10 pages have tables, right? If you want to use all the tables, then you can load all the files, because then it will be a time taking process. So here I don't know like on which page is my table, so I'm randomly selecting. So that's why I'm selecting all. Okay, so it is a heavy file, so it will take like 2-3 minutes to upload the data. So just click on all. If you want to specify the range, you can specify the range, you can specify the page number as well. Okay. So now the data is loading. All of you, please connect your PDF file in your Tableau. So in last 2 days, you have worked on the Excel format and text file, right? CSV format. And today we will be working on PDF file and one statistical file example also I want to show you. Okay, I hope the data is loaded. Okay, because this is a very heavy file, so that's why it is taking this much of time. So that's why I suggest you to load the range. Okay, so like then it will consume less time because. So those who are joining now, I have shared one PDF file in the chat box. If you have not received, I request the other participant, please share the same. And you connect your PDF file, open your Tableau software window and load the data using the PDF file option. Here I have, when you click on PDF file, you'll get some options like all, single, range, like this. So here I have selected all. Okay, so now the data is loaded, as you can see here. Okay, page number wise. So the page number 10 has one table, or there are 3 or 4 tables on page number 10 maybe, or they might be of different format. Okay, so here see table 1, table 2. Now you can see all the tables, whatever tables are there in the PDF file is loaded here. Okay, so I have gone through the report many times, so I know like which table I want to work on. So my target is to work on the table number 2 of page number 31. Okay, so I am dragging this table here. So I'm dragging the table number 2 of page number 31. All right, so if I want to view this table here, what is the table, then you can see here. Okay, so this is the table number 2 on page number 31. All right, now see, be very careful. Okay, just look at this. So this is the table detail. I can hide the detail by clicking on this thing. All right, so now I have this table number 2. So this is wages or salaries, self-employment, income sources. So this is not the format what we want. Okay, so Tableau can help you little by using this option, use data interpreter. This option is there, use data interpreter. If you click on this, it will help you to adjust some of your data. Okay, so let's see what Tableau is doing here. So Tableau is cleaning your data. Some issues with video. Okay, what range do we specify? So am I audible? Right? Don't worry about video. My screen is visible and am I audible?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right. So please share the table link. So anyone please share the PDF file again in the chat box. Yes, thank you. Okay, so you can specify the range as per your requirement, as you do not know anything about this PDF. But later, if you work on your PDF file, you know like on which page ranges. Maybe you have tables from page number say 10 to 12. then you can specify the range, then only those tables will be visible here in Tableau. So that is up to your PDF file. Now, for example, instead of loading, like selecting all, I should have selected range from 30 to 32, because I wanted to work on the table of, on like whatever tables are there on these pages. Okay, so this is up to you which range you want to specify there. Okay, all right. Okay, so now see, if I use this data interpreter, now data interpreter, what is the role of the data interpreter? Data interpreter cleaned your data. All right, so now as it was like very null values were there, income sources were randomly written there. Okay, so now it is corrected. See, now this is the range of these are the wages, and this is the groups, right, overall. So now what Tableau did, whatever Tableau can adjust, whatever it is the range in the Tableau's range, that data is adjusted. Now it is up to you, how do you like further prepare your data using the tools. All right, some more questions. How do we clean up the table? Okay, I'm getting null values. Use this data interpreter on the left hand side. Okay, this data interpreter, use data interpreter should be there. So if you click on use data interpreter, right, then Tableau will clean the data, and after cleaning it will be ticked and it will be there cleaned with data interpreter. All right. Okay. Okay, so this is the table. Now you can use this table for your visuals. Now, for example, I want to create chart. Now I can go to sheet 1, as Monica ma'am like explained yesterday. Like she have explained how to create bar chart, right? So now you can create bar chart using these things. So maybe what do I want? Maybe I want measure values, right? Measure names, maybe, right? So see, now this is the thing, 18 to 29, these are my measure names, and this is the value. Okay, now this extra. So what I can do, if I'll click on this, I can exclude this, remove this. Okay, so I want to exclude this. Okay, I do not want to even keep overall, so I can exclude this as well. Okay, so now this is the sheet. Maybe I want to arrange it in descending order. Okay, I want to arrange it in the descending order. So I'll click on this. Now it is arranged in descending order. Or I want to arrange it in ascending order. I'll click here. It will be in ascending order, right? Or maybe I do not want it vertically, I want it horizontally. I can click here. So it is horizontally. Okay, all right. So now this is easily, now you can rename the sheet as per the names. Clear? Or maybe you can give colors to your this measures name. You can give colors. So now each measure name has a different color. Okay, all right. Now if you want to see, you need to play around basically. Now if you want, what is F1? So if you install F1, now see, okay, so now I do not want F1. This is not the correct visual. I do not want color as a measure name. Maybe I want my this thing as a color. Okay, now this make more sense. Okay, how does it make more sense? Because now you can identify, or now wait, I'll label also measure values label. Okay, now you can easily say that under 40 to 49 tab, 17.40 are self-employed and 86 are wages or salaried earners, like this. Okay, so you should know, looking at your data set, how you want to create. There are n number of types you can create your visuals, like I did like before this. What I did, I dragged measures name into colors. Okay, so this is one way to, but this is not the correct visual. It doesn't make any sense, because what is the role of colors here? Colors are not representing anything new information to the client, right? Okay, so but instead of adding colors to measures value, instead of adding this, if you add this, right, then it make more sense, because you are adding new information for the clients. Right now you are adding how many are wage earners, how many are self-employed, like this, or what is the range of the income of the wage earners or self-employed, whatever it is there in your data set, like this. Clear? Any question on this, anyone? Please tell me. If there is a no question, just take 5 minutes and I want you to create a bar graph for table number 1 in page 31. Now, instead of this, I want you to use table number 1 on page number 31. Please do that and send me some screenshots on the WhatsApp group or here in the chat box. So now drag table number 1 of page number 31. Use data interpreter to clean your table, and then go to sheet number 1 and create some visuals. Am I clear? My question is clear to everyone? Yes, no, please reply. Or you're stuck with PDF data? Please tell me. Still downloading file. Oh, it is not that heavy file. Okay, take 5 minutes, all right? And please try to do it for table number 1 on page number 31. Do we remove the previous table in the database? It is not necessary, like, but like, do not club it. You need to remove, otherwise there will be a join on relationship will be available, right? Okay. I am using Tableau Cloud. I'm not getting the option to upload PDF. Yes, please, Deepika Saraf, please share your screen. Any question you have, or you're done with the assignment? So show me first the data source. This is for table number 1. Not done yet. Okay, so what you are representing here? Now please remove count. Do not click on bar, on count. Yes, exclude option. Yes. Okay. Now add income sources into colors, because there are different income sources. This information is not available in your visual, right? So each and every information should be there in your visual if you want to represent your data, if you're presenting your data to your client, right? Okay, now click on show me option. Show me se wo hata do upar se, then filter will be visible. Yes. Okay, now this filter is there, income sources. So now this is also, now you want to label, maybe now label your measure values. Label your measure values. So drag measure values into label from left hand side. Last, yes, into label. Yes. Okay, now I don't know what is the unit of this. Can you convert it into percentage unit? Do you know this, how to do that? Can you format it? Go to measure values and click on format, and then change the numbers into percentage. No, not here. the green, the label one, हाँ नीचे अभी जहां आपने लेबल में ऐड किया है, हाँ format, click on format, yes, then in number, yes, yes, then percentage, click on percentage. Okay, decimal place, remove the decimal place. So this is too much in percentage, it is. No, this shouldn't be in percentage. Then change it into maybe thousands or millions, add some unit. So click on custom, just click on custom once. No, click on number custom. Here decimal place, okay. Display unit, click on display unit. Here you can click on 1000. Okay, yes, okay, it's done now. Okay, so there is some unit is attached, so you can like add units like this, okay, to your data set, whatever unit is there, if it is in million, billion, percentage, thousands, or one more option is there, you can add currency as well. Now again go to number, yes, there it is, currency custom, yes. Okay, so custom, here it is Indian rupee, but you can click on display unit, just click on display unit. No, go to currency standard. Right, India, no, just click on drop down, what all options are there. So here any currency, now you can change it to maybe US dollar, just try once. Yes, United States, no. Just add any, United States ऊपर ही था, was ऊपर only, it was there up. Just I add Chinese currency, maybe just China, click on China. Right, so yen is there, right? Okay, so now it is added here. So this is the, you can customize this thing. Okay, one question is there. What is the question? Not yet done, not able to understand how to format. Please explain. Okay. All right, so I'll re-explain it. So Deepika, you please unshare your screen. Thank you. Okay. So PDF thing, is it done? Or you people are still working on it? Please let me know. Please let me know if you're still working or it's done. Done. Okay. So wait, I'll show you formatting once again. Share my screen. Okay. Right. Okay, so I joined a little because of, can you please tell me which file are you referring from this? The PDF file I'm referring. So do you have access to the PDF file, Gitika? Yes, okay. So please load that data using the PDF file format, okay? The same way you have loaded the Excel file in the Tableau, all right? And then click on all the tables will be here, and we are working on, we worked on table number 2, now we are working on table number 1. So most of you have completed that, right? So now data is clean. And if I'll go to sheet number, like new sheet, I just want to create a new sheet. Okay. Okay, so this is the sheet. All right. Okay, now F1 is error because this, okay. All right, now, so for example, this is my measure value. I just want to add here, and this is the measure name. Okay, now I want it. So these three, I hope you know these three things. You can convert your vertical and horizontal bars like this directly from here, ascending and descending order from here. You can clean your screen using this option. Okay, you can create duplicate using this option, and you can go to new worksheet directly from here as well. Okay, so these are the options like this. So I am removing this thing. I do not want this thing. All right. Now, this income is not there in my visual. So I'm adding income source into colors. Okay. And I am adding measure values to labels as well. Now everything is labeled here. All right. Okay. Whatever. So I want to format the values, right? So I'll just click on this drop down. Everybody, please listen to me very carefully. My screen is visible. I am audible, right? Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All right. So you can click on this drop down, and there is this option format. So if you click on this format option, so if you want to change any font size or this thing, you can click on this A. A is written here. Okay. So for example, you want to increase the size to 12. See, now size is increased to 12. You want to make it bold. You can click on this. You want to change the color. Maybe I want it in this, all the numbers. Okay, I want to make it italic. I want to make it this. So you can do this by using this A option. All right, clear? Okay. Okay, right? Then this is for worksheet. Now you can play around all these features. Okay, it is not a like 1 minute thing. Okay, there are n number of options which you can explore as per your requirement. Now if it is written pain, what is the use of this? If I'll click 14 here, okay, 11 here, you can explore this header. If you change for header, for example, you click on 16. So what, see, now this font is increased. So header means this. Okay, so you need to play around with all these options. We cannot teach you everything here. We are just giving you an idea how to do that. For example, you want to change the font size of title. Now this is your title. For example, I just rename this as say income. Income groups. Okay, so you can make a change from here as well. So there are 2-3 options, whatever you want to do. So you can insert date, source name, this sheet name, this page count, right? Full name, username, whatever you want to insert, you can do that. You want to underline this, you can do that from here as well. You can want to make it bold, you can do it. Change the size, you can do it. Okay, like see. Okay, and from here also, right? Then tooltip. This is your tooltip. This is your tooltip. If we want to change the color of the say tooltip, this, and make it bold. So see, now it is changed to this color. If you want to make it blue, now see, it is blue. So this is your tooltip color choice, whatever you want to keep it. Okay, right? Title, change as I explained. Okay, so this is like this. You can play around with all these options. This is for A option, right? Similarly, alignment, whatever, like these options, I guess everybody is aware of. All of us, we use this in Excel, in Word, right? So these are the same options like this. Okay, now we were talking about this this thing, number formatting. We were talking about this. So you need to click on now alignment. See, like this, you can do this, you can do this, you can do, right? For font size and everything, you should click on A. For other options, you need to use this window. Okay, this axis, this pane window you need to use. Okay, for alignment, as I changed. Now for number, this is very important, number. So you need to explore all these options. So if you go to number standard, okay, number standard, number custom, now you want to make it 3 decimal, or you do not want any decimal, make it 0 decimal, like this. Okay, you want to add positive value, negative value, whatever you want to do, you can do here. You want to add unit. Okay, if your data is in, say, billion, say million, you want to make it in thousand. Okay, like this. So it is 0. If you're converting it into thousand, it is not possible, right? So if I'm saying I make it in this and this, then there are, now you can directly convert it into thousands. You can convert it into millions, like this. Okay, as per your requirement. Suffix, prefix, like if you want to use anything. Then currency standard. So now rupee is added in front of this data, right? Now you do not want Indian currency. Maybe you want this thing, Australian currency. So it is dollar is there. Okay, so you can customize this as well as per your requirement. There are n number of options. All the currency options are available here. Okay, then currency custom also you can change the units values like this. Then percentage, if you want to convert your data directly into percentage, okay, then you can do that. So this feature is mostly useful in case of pie chart, right? If your values are in absolute figure, if you have created pie chart, then you can convert it into percentage terms. Okay, then this is format. So you can play around with all these options, what it is. So these are the main options. All right, is this clear? Any question, anyone? Please let me know. Any question on this? Clear? Okay, yes, yes. Yes, okay. So, but I have not received any of the screenshot yet. Send me 1 or 2 at least. Okay, so now I am assuming you're like, you know how to connect the PDF file, how to create chart out of it, how to use the option of data interpreter. This is the motive behind this exercise. Now I hope this is clear. If there is any question in these 3 points, then please do let me know. Otherwise, I'm moving to the next type of format, that is your statistical file. Any question? Okay, so now I am connecting with new data source file. Okay, so this time I want to work on statistical file. If you have any like statistical file or maybe of SPSS, Stata, all these, like whatever format is available here, ARD files, SPSS, Stata files. All these files are readable here under this option. Okay, so I'll just give you one, I'll just check, there might be one. Okay, So see, these are the SPSS file. This is in this format .sav. So I am connecting with one SPSS file, just for your understanding how to do that. So yes, the data is loading here. Okay, so now this is the file, right? So you can view the data file from here if you click on this. So this is your aviation data. This, okay, this is your car sale. Okay, this is your some practice data file. I don't know what it is. Okay. All right, so we are working on this car sale file. All right, this is some random SPSS file what I have selected. So I'm opening the new sheet here, sheet number 3. Okay. All right, so on this file we are working car sale ANOVA file. All right, now what I'll do, I'll drag my this maybe honor. No, okay, and this this thing. So as Monica ma'am must have explained you yesterday, like dimension and measure, right? So dimension is for categorical variable and measure is for numerical quantitative values, right? So maybe I do not want like, and there is a very like 2-3 major difference between dimension and measure. Dimensions are in blue color generally and measures are in green color. Okay, and if you drag dimension, okay, it will give you the same name. For example, if you are dragging category, okay, it will give you same variable name. But while if you drag measure, it will give you some average or say median or say minimum maximum, like this. It will not give you the same variable names. For example, this, if I have dragged honor, this is my measure. See, okay, so this is here honor, sum of honor is there. Okay, but I do not want it as a measure. Maybe I want it as a dimension. So I'm converted into dimension. Okay, so I have converted into dimension. All right, so now I maybe want to add this car sale. See, now what is this? Now this graph is honor. These are the honor values, and this is the count of car sales. So these are the car sales. So this honor made this much of sale, this honor made this much of sale, this much of sale. This is like this. Now one more info. Any question? Any question, anyone? No. Now one more information is there, that is your type. Okay, so type we have not added here. So type again we can do add okay in colors. So if I'll add in colors, what will happen? So there is a one more difference here that I will tell you. So here also what I'll do, I'll convert type also into dimension, for example. Wait, type here, type into dimension. Okay, and now I am adding type into color. Just a second. Convert to dimension and adding into color. Okay, now there are 3 types of this. You can easily, it is easily visible. One question. Please share data file link again. The PDF file you want, Miss Mona Chandra? Yes, so somebody please share the PDF file because we are working on the statistical file. Or just wait, I'll share both the files again. This is the PDF file. Okay, I'll share this statistical file as well. The statistical. Okay, and next we will work on this Excel file. So I'm sharing this as well. Now please don't ask again and again for the file. It is currently being used, I cannot share it, so that's okay. All right, so what I have done here, I have converted the types from measure to dimension. Now it is visible. See, now 0 is this. Now maybe line graph, I do not find it the good way for my visual, so maybe I'm converting into bar. Okay, so in bar, and what I'll do, I'll label sales. Okay, so now this is the correct visual. So what do I know here? There are two honor 1 and honor 2, and there are three types, 0, 1 and 2 types of car. Okay, so honor 1 is having 27 of type 2 car, 10 of 10 number of type 1 car, and 76 of 0 type. Similarly, honor 2 is having 17 car sale, like he sell the car of type 2, then for 13 of type 1, and 57 of type 0. Now these are the codes 0, 1 and 2. I don't know, like 0 is assigned to what, and 1 to what, and 2 to what. Okay, so this is just for your basic understanding that this is how we work on the statistical file. So any statistical file you can upload here in Tableau. Clear? So this was the SPSS file. Same you can do for R file and Stata file. Clear? Any question? Any question, anyone? Please tell me. Clear? Okay, right. Now what I'm doing, I'll show you these two options are there. If you look at here, there are two connections, live and extract. So I'll explain you what is the role of these two options here. Okay, so I'll be working on different data file. So this is the data file. I'm sharing my screen. Wait. One question. Please download Tableau. Okay, all right. All right, so I'm sharing this Excel. Wait. Okay. So this is the simple Excel data file. I just want to show you the data, what we have created, and what is the use of live data and extract data, right? So extract data is basically like the data which you have collected. Okay, like whatever is not live. For example, you are on an airplane, right? You do not have internet connection. Okay, so what you have done, you have downloaded the data, and then you are working on your presentation. Okay, you are creating your visuals. So for example, this is the data set here. Okay, so this data set is basically date is there, customer, and sales. This is there. Okay, and so these are the data. Now I'm uploading the data in Tableau, this data file. So okay. Okay, right. So there you need to, what you need to do, like when you are on an airplane that where you do not have access to your server, so you download the data in Excel file and then you update it later, right? So in both the cases you can update the data directly. Okay, so for live connection you can directly refresh the data. For data extract, okay, first you need to download it, and there is a different option for data updation. Okay, now so this is the data. If you want to view the data, click on this. it is there in the down window as well. So this is your data: customer name, Louise, Pat, Jenny, Jack, Mike, Renee. Okay, and this is the date, and these are the sales, whatever they have made. So this is the data set was there in the Excel file. Now first we will work on the live option. Now I have loaded this data file here in Tableau, and the option in the connection is live connection. So my connection is live. Okay, now I'm working on live connection. So if I open a sheet, right, and so I want maybe a customer, and then date, and then sales. Okay, now the format of my date was this thing, day, year, this day, month, and year, right? So now you can format this using this option. If you click on this drop down, all right, there is a option to just a second, format. No, not format, custom. There should be option of custom. Sort format. Custom, right? So under more, there is an option of custom. If you click on custom, so the format of your dates will be there, like whatever format. So our format was this, this thing, right? So if I'll click on this, okay. So now it is in the same format, right? Date, this thing, day, month, and year, right? So this is how you format it. Clear? Should I explain it again? How do you format it? Please let me know if it is not clear.
Yes, ma'am, please explain again.
Okay, so what you need to do, again, I'll just drag it back. Okay, so for example, date, I'm dragging date here. Okay, now it is coming in year. Okay, so this is not the same format. You might want it in year, that is your wish, but if you want to change the format, you can click here, go to more, and then to custom. Okay, if you click on custom, there are different type. If you want to change it quarterly, month, only quarters you want, week numbers, weekdays, okay, only month and year maybe you want, right? So our format was in this. Okay, right? So this is how you change it. Clear? Yes.
Yeah, I think we can also, yesterday ma'am said we can also click the plus sign in front of Acha, but it doesn't have the plus sign here.
Yeah.
On the date. Oh, okay.
Okay.
In the rows.
It is not like there is a single way to do the formatting. Okay, there are 2-3 options. Like you can explore it, like whatever is feasible to you, whatever is convenient to you, you can use that accordingly. Okay, right?
Sure.
So there is one more option if you have not learned it yesterday. So this is how you format the date. All right. Okay, so we were talking about live connection. Now this is my file. This was the data, if you look at in Excel as well. Okay, now what I am doing, I am adding the data in my Excel file. My Excel file is visible to you? No? No or yes? No. Wait, then I'll share my home screen, then it would be visible. Wait.
We can see a table.
But I am adding some certain stuff, so just wait. Okay. I'll just share my screen like this. Okay. Now this is visible, the Excel file.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no, huh? Okay, so now what I'll do, okay, so I will add, so this was the data whatever it is there in Tableau. Now I'm working on live data, right? I am adding now some data in my Excel file. For example, say I'm adding this to October 2021. Name is say Deepika, is making sale of 300. Okay, then next maybe adding 312 2022. Ram Mohan is making a sale of 5,000. Okay, so 2 data points I have added in my Excel file. All right, so now what you can do, now this is the data set. Okay, this is your original data set. Now what you will do, if this is your file, if you click here, what you will get this option of refresh. All right, so if you click on this refresh, these 2 data points will be there in your sheet, working sheet. Wait, it is processing. Right? So does it add it? No. Wait. Refresh. Oh wait, I did not save. Sorry. I did not save it in Excel file. Just a second. You need to save it as well. Yes. So first you need to save it in your Excel file. Click on save button. Because we have added this data file only, right? So if you will not save the data here, it will not publish there. So I have saved it. Now if you will refresh it, now see, it is there. Now it is updated. Okay, right? So now see, Ram Mohan, 3rd December 2022, 5,000, and Deepika name was also added. All right, so this was the case for live connection. Okay, and if you see in case of live connection, your symbol for the data, there is only one cylinder. Okay, there is only one cylinder. While if you will work on data extract connection, not on live, then there will be 2 cylinder. I'll show you. Is this clear? Any question on this live connection? Is this clear or should I repeat? Please tell me.
Clear, ma'am.
Clear, no? Okay, right. Okay, so next we'll work on extract option. So now again, go to data source. Now instead of live, I'll click on extract. Okay, now I'm using extract data, right? Okay. All right, now the same data file I'm using. Okay, I'll go to a new sheet. Just for data, this thing I'm saving it. So you just save the file, whatever like pop up here on the screen. All right. Okay, now this is your screen. Okay, now see, 2 cylinders are here. Okay, it means you are working on extract connection, not on live connection. Okay, now the same data file I am using. Okay, now I'll add some more points here. So say for example, I'm adding 4123. Say Geetika made a sale of 4,500. Okay, then 5/6/2023, say Kanika made the sale of 6,700. Okay, so these 2 entries I have done. Now I'll save it. So don't forget to save it. So I have saved this. Okay, now if you will click on this, okay, first I'll just drag it. Wait, customer date Sales. Custom. Okay. All right. Okay. So if you are working on a data extract and you click on refresh data here, you won't see any change here because now you are working on extract data, not on live data. You're not connected to live data. So then what you need to do, you right click same here. Now go here, extract. Okay. And then refresh. Clear? Then if you refresh it, then your new entities, yes. See, now new entries are visible. Gitika and Kanika we added, no, Kanika. Right? Okay, so the option would be now to go to extract and then refresh. Okay, this option will work directly, no. And the main point you can identify is when two cylinders are here, you are working on extract data, and one cylinder is for live data. For live data, you directly refresh it from here, and for extract data, you go extract and then refresh it. Clear? Any question?
Clear.
Clear? So can I get any screenshot, please, if you have done it? Take a 5 minutes, send me some of the screenshot of the PDF one or live and this thing, extract maybe this window of this window, extract window, maybe. Any of you? Please explain on extract again. Wow, sure. See, the extract first, what you need to do for extract, you need to go to data source, right? Now, instead of live, you need to connect extract data. Okay, when you click on this, there will be a one pop-up for saving thing that you do, saving. Okay, save the file and then click on the worksheet. I'm clicking on the new worksheet. Okay, then here, if two cylinders are here, it means you are working on now extract data, not on live connection, but on extract connection. Okay, extract connection is whatever is stored in your this. You are not connected to any server, any live connection. All right. Now, if you do here, for example, I just drag customer this and this. Okay, so now instead of like right click here in live connection, we click this refresh option. While in extract, what we do, we go to extract and then click on refresh. Then our data set will be refreshed. Okay, but make sure to save save the file after making a new entry. Save the file, save that in Excel. Okay, if you will not click on a save button in Excel, then your data is the old data will be visible, not the new one. Okay, so this is the option for extract. Right click, extract, refresh. Clear? Any question? Okay. All right. Okay, so I'll just stop sharing this for a second. Send me some screenshot, please, for 2 minutes. Next, I hope all of you have access to Superstore data file. Yes or no? Superstore data file.
सारी नजर लगी है
मेरी नजर क्यों लगेगी?
Please mute
देखो अभी एक
yourself.
चल रहा है।
Okay. All right.
Can I share my screen for a while?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
having actual trouble in extract.
Sure, please. So, okay, what is your previous, where is your previous Excel file? Okay, you have added new entry. Last two entries, Ram and Unni. Okay, okay, show me your data file in Excel, sorry, Tableau. Good. Save it, no, save it. Wait. Go to data
Sorry,
source.
get it.
Yeah. Extract. Now click on extract. That's what I said. No, whatever like it show you the.
Yeah. Clicked on that only.
Yeah.
So what should I do next?
Go to worksheet. Your new worksheet. No, not here. Not the Excel sheet. Tableau worksheet only. Open the new Tableau worksheet. Now this save it on desktop for the time being. Save it. Yes. Okay. Now open the new worksheet from here. This. Now you are working on extract data. See, two cylinders are there. Okay. Now Unni is already added here. No.
Yes, correct.
But you have not refreshed it. Make some new more entries in Excel file. Just make a new entry.
No, I haven't added anything as of now. I'm yet to add.
So add it. Add some entry. Okay, save it in Excel. That's okay. Okay.
Okay.
Name and sales. Save it here in the file. Just click on the save button. Done. Saved in Excel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now open your Tableau sheet. Okay. Now go to this thing. Right click on extract and live extract above. Right click. Go to extract and then refresh. Yes. See, Akhand and Roshan are here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Now I'm sharing this. I hope all of you have access to this Superstore data file. If not, I'm resharing it. Okay. Now we'll work on this Superstore data file. I'll explain you different type of data, whatever it is there in Tableau. And how do we work on hierarchies, table calculations, calculated field, parameters, groups, sets. So all this we'll learn in a day. So please be quick in this. Okay. Okay, wait, I'm sharing my screen. So I've shared the file in the chat box. Please download it fast. All right. This is day 3. So there are 6 different types of data in Tableau. Okay, how do we know that? Okay, so look at these symbols. Wait. Okay, I'll just reload the data then. Just a second. So Ram Mohanji, please share your screen. I'll explain it there. Different types of data. Just load the Superstore data file. Okay. Just drag the table of orders. Okay. Yes. Height. Yes. Okay. Right. So there is first option is there hash. Hash. So what do you mean by hash? Hash. Anyone? Please tell me. Numeric.
Measured.
Yes. Hash is numeric. Right. ABC is?
Dimension.
ABC is dimension, but it is basically a text variable or string.
Text, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Text or string. All right. Then there must be a globe sign. What do you mean by globe sign?
Means location.
Location.
Geographical data, right? Yeah. So wherever is a globe sign, maybe in pin code, maybe in address, maybe in city, state, country. So wherever globe sign is there, it means that is your geographical data, right? So see here above city, state, province, there is a globe sign, globe, right? Okay. So this is the third data type. Then fourth data type is your date, calendar, right? Okay. So this is your fifth data type, and sixth data type is your Boolean values, right? True or false. Okay, so you can convert your data type as well. Like if it is a numeric, you can convert it into a string or text, right? Any variable. So I'll show you how. Okay, so if you click on Ram Mohanji next to row ID, no, on hash, click on hash. right? Okay, so these are the options, these are the data types. So one is if you want to convert it from whole number to decimal, just click on number decimal. So see, now this is converted into decimal, right? Now, okay, again click on hash. Right, now you want it into a string, you want to make it a string variable or text variable. Click on this. So this would be a string variable. Now see, ABC number is there. Now no more, it is no more a measure, it is a dimension, because now it is a categorical variable, right? Now if you will click on boolean, click on hash, click on the boolean. Yeah, it will show you null, I guess. Yeah, null, because there is a like this type of data is not available in this column. So that's why values are null in this case. Now if you click on date, just click on hash once again, click on date. So there are two options, one is date and time and one is date. Okay, so this is also null because it is not in date format, and the symbol might be different. Just click on date and time. Just check if the symbol is different for date and time and date. It is, or it is same?
It's different because it has a clock.
It's a different.
Yes, clock is added. Okay, so it means this is date and time. Now click on geography. First click on default. Okay, now click on geography role. So if you want to convert into geography, maybe just click on say country. So see, this globe sign is there. Now this would be considered as a geographical data by Tableau. So if you plot a graph of this, then it will show you longitude and latitude. Okay. Now again click on default and deassign the role of geography. हाँ, इसको हटा दो आप. Reclick on none. Click on none. First option. Okay. Now it is back to same. Okay. Any question on this types of data and how can we convert it?
No, clear.
Clear,
Thanks.
no? Okay. Right. Now next type of data is your discrete and continuous data. Okay, discrete and continuous data. So what is the difference between discrete and continuous data? How would you identify that? Is this is the same as a dimension and this thing measure. Okay, so blue icon is for your discrete data. Okay, and green one is for your continuous data. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, you can identify this on the basis of color. Okay, blue and green, and on the basis of when you drag the category or say categorical data or discrete data, the name would be same. While if you drag the measure or say continuous data, then it will be a this thing sum. Okay, aggregate value is there, or median or average, that is there, not the same variable. Okay, and when you plot it, now I'll show you. When you plot it in a map, for example, you are using a map chart. Okay, then if you plot a discrete variable and if you plot this thing, if you plot a discrete variable, then symbols will be there, points will be there, while if you plot a continuous variable, fields will be there. Okay, so I'll show you how. And you can also like edit this. Just give me 1 second. I'll sharing the screen. Okay, meanwhile on your screen, maybe I don't know why it is not working. Okay, Ram Mohan ji, please reshare your screen. My screen is this tablet is not working.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, please open the new worksheet. All right, now create a map chart. So drag state, maybe create a map chart. You should know how to create this, right? Monica ma'am taught you yesterday how to create a map chart. Please do this. No.
Anything apart, like anything apart from this? Anything else?
If you drag sales into colors, how would it show? Actually, it is 49 unknowns. You have not drawn. Just click on 49 unknowns below, right hand side, below the chart. See, 49 unknown, it is written. Yes, click on this. Now edit location, edit locations. Yes. Now state should be United States, not India. Country, change the country above. This one. Here, select United States. Okay. Okay, right? So now, what is this? Drag country, drag country. Wait. Drag back everything. Just re-drag it.
Sorry.
Wait. So now if you drag sales, drag sales. Drag sales into color. Remove country from there, drag sales into color. Remove country. Drag sales into color. See, now sales is a discrete or continuous variable? Tell me. Sales is a discrete or continuous? Is a dimension or a measure?
It is a
It's
measure.
It is a measure, it is a continuous variable. Okay, so when you drag any continuous variable, there will be a different shades of it. Okay, now for example, now you drag maybe product category or say ship mode, anything in the color in color. Okay, so now see, there are different colors. For furniture it is blue, office supply it is orange, and for technology it is pink. Okay, so now the point is clear. So your color would be different in case of your discrete, your dimension. For your measure, for your continuous variable, your color would be gradient. Okay, there are no different colors. Color would be gradient, like different shades of blue. Light is representing less sale, dark blue is representing high sales. It is like this. Okay, right? So this is the difference between discrete and continuous variable. Does it make sense to you? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So this is the difference. This is how you identify. Now please stop sharing. Now my tableau screen is working. I'll share my screen. Okay. Okay, so I have explained the difference of color like this. If there is this thing product category into color, okay, then this, if the see, I have added sum of sales into color. Now the option is this gradient, color is gradient, right? If I add, for example, this thing into color, maybe region into color. Okay, so now see, different colors. Okay, not gradient color. This is the difference between discrete and continuous. Similarly, I have explained on map as well. Like if you add discrete on map, then it will give you the symbols, the points. If you add continuous, it will give you field. Okay, so field area, the whole blocks will be there. Okay.
Can I share my screen for a minute, please?
Okay. Just a second, I'll just explain this, then maybe after this. Okay, just give me 2 more minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the difference I was saying. So this points, see, this is for city. City is, for example, discrete dimension, right? Similarly, if I'll add say profit into color, what will happen? Not city. Okay, so see, this field, whole fields are there, and color is this gradient. Okay, not this is the difference. Then we use into filters. Okay, right? For example, if I'll add profit into filter, so this is the filter box. Okay, so what I am doing, I have drawn this graph of category and product category. Okay, so if I'll drag profit into filters, so what will happen? Wait, I'll just redo this. Okay, so first for discrete, for example, if I'll add say category into filter, so this is the product category into filter. Now what will happen? See, so this is the box will be there in front of you. Now you can select category as per your choice. For example, you want only furniture or office supplies or technology, right? So, okay, so then you can do this, say apply, okay. Okay, right? So only this furniture and office supplies category are available. Okay, this was for this. Now now I will drag continuous variable, for example profit. Okay, now if I drag profit, now see, there is a different box is there in front of you. Okay, so sum, average, median, count, what filter you want to. If you click on next, you can select range. See, range of values. For example, you want to change the range. I do not want it for this. Maybe I want 15,000. I want to start from 15,000, and or you can reduce it from here as well, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, okay. Okay, now see, there is a change in this. So this is how discrete and continuous variable work. All right, so this was another topic. So we started with the how to connect PDF file, how to connect statistical file, what are the major different data types, how to change the data types, right? And then what is the difference between discrete and continuous, and dimension and measure. Till now, we have learned this. Any question on this, then please let me know. Yes, now you can please share your screen.
Please disable sharing so I can share mine.
Yeah. Please explain the current slide again. Okay, just a second. Current slide, the filter part, Ram Mohan ji, is it? Yes, okay. So filter is basically, see, for discrete and continuous variable I was explaining. For example, I drag product category into filter. If I drag this, so these are the 3 types of category, okay? So I can filter any category. For example, this I want, or all 3 category I want, or I want to this, or I want to exclude something. For example, this, I want only this, I do not want to exclude this. So you can explore all these things, okay? Top thing, for example, I want only top this. I'll tell you this as well. So for general thing, I'm doing this. So maybe furniture and technology. So I'll click OK, and so now only furniture and technology is there, okay? For product category, there is a no sum option, average option, this thing is there. But if you drag any continuous variable, for example, profit into filter, so this box will be there in front of you. If you want average, for example, okay, if you want median, you want count, you can maximum, minimum, you want standard deviation, you want variance, okay, like this is there. Or you can set up a range of values, or at least this much, or at most this, maximum and minimum basically you can apply, or only relevant values, all values, okay? Include null values, do not include null values, whatever you can you want in your visuals, you can do that. All right, clear? So this is how you use filter for discrete and continuous variable, okay? Now I'm sharing the screen. Okay. Yes, I have unshared the screen. Please. Please share your screen. Who is sharing? Who is sharing the screen? Okay.
I was trying to get the map of USA and I'm not able to get that. The one in which
Okay.
they're showing sales, etc.
Okay. So what is ATTR? Please drag all the components back. We do not need all these things.
Okay, let me just remove everything.
Yes, drag it back. Yes. Yes, in filters also. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now drag country to the main window.
Yeah.
Okay, right now you can drag maybe states, or double click on states, state or province. So this
Okay.
is the map. Now if you want sales or profit, you can drag into colors, whatever chart you want to prepare. Sales into colors, maybe, right?
Okay.
Like this. Or maybe you want to add cities, or you want to label your states, then add the states into labels, states or province into label. Yes, there is a T written above as well. If you see above, on the above pane, where your increasing decreasing option is there, where your clear screen is option is there, no, there with the pin sign, next to pin sign, T, no, above, up, where is your cursor?
Like here, pin.
Next to pin, yes, T. If you click on this, this is a direct for label. Just click on this. labeling will be there like this. Okay,
Okay.
like this, a shortcut. So
Okay.
any other query on map?
And if I want to show sales, I just drag it into the detail.
So that is up to you. Want to label your sale, you want to color your sale, what do you
I
want
want to
to do,
label
right?
my-
Yes, so you can label it, so labels will
And
be
if I
there.
want to change this into averages or something, then I can right click that.
Then you, where it is written no some sales below this, from there also you can change some sales.
Where is I have
The
some
green,
sales?
where you dragged it, no, in the marks pane.
Okay.
Here, yes,
Okay.
click on this drop down and then you will get it.
Okay. Got it.
Got it, no?
Thank
Any
you,
other
sir.
query?
No, that was something I was, since
Okay.
yesterday, I couldn't figure this out.
No,
Thanks.
that's okay. Still, like all of us are here to learn. Okay, so if still you do not like get any concept, please let me know. Otherwise, there is no point of teaching.
Yeah.
Okay, so still, please do not think that this is a silly question and we are repeating everything. If you are not getting anything, sometimes you stuck for like very simple thing. But still, if you are stuck, you are stuck. Okay, so please let me know if anyone else has any query or question. Please tell me. If no, then we can go ahead. Please unshare your screen. Okay. Okay, now this is a very important concept, granularity. Okay, what does it mean, granularity? Granularity means breaking down into, say, smaller pieces, for example. Okay, so for example, what I have done here, I'll just drag it back and show you. What I have done, I have added profits into column and sales into rows. Now I have only 1 point. And if you see here, it is written 1 mark, 1 row by 1 column. Okay, right? Now next what I'll do, maybe I'll add product category into color. Okay, so now my marks is increased from 1 to 3, right? So maybe I can add say customer ship mode into size, for example. Okay, so now my marks is increased to 9 marks. So what I am doing here, I am increasing the granularity. Here, first I started with 1 mark. Now I am breaking down into more pieces. For example, I had only 1 point for profit and sales, right? Now I have profit and sales of say office supply, which is shipped from regular air. Okay, right? And maybe I can add more into this by adding customer name into maybe maybe product category into shape, and customer name into color, the field. Okay, so see the more information. Now there is a 1648 mark. So what I have done, I have added the information of the customer, information of the product category, information of the shipping mode, profit and sales, right? So this is what I have done. So I have increased the granularity. Okay, so granularity means I am breaking into smaller pieces and I am increasing the marks. So this is important from the point of view of data joining and data blending that we will do tomorrow. Okay, so what does it mean? Basically, if there is a different granularity of the data set, for example, this data set has higher granularity and another data set has lower granularity, then we go for blending, not for joining. This I'll explain you tomorrow. So for the timing, you just learn the concept of granularity, what it is. Okay, right? Clear what it is? Any question on granularity? Please tell me. Granularity is basically increasing the information on your chart by increasing the variables, right? Breaking down into more pieces. Please repeat again. Granularity, as I said, is breaking down information into smaller pieces. Okay, as I said, first we have only sum and profit. If we have only sum and profit, then only one point is there. Okay, only one point which is explaining the aggregate profit and sales. Now what I did, I added product category into shapes. Okay, so here I have increased the marks from 1 to 3 marks. Okay, so because I have added category, that is 3 categories. Okay, so I have increased the granularity, level of granularity from 1 to 3. Now I am again increasing the level of granularity by adding customer name into this thing. See, so now I have increased the level of granularity from 3 to 15, 3 marks. Okay, right? So I have broken down into more pieces. Now I know the Christian in the product category made this much of profit by making this much of sales. So I have increased the level of granularity. Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah, but the graph is not coming yet, so we're just trying it.
So please try, just take a 2 minute. Okay, so we'll join back after 5 minutes. Please just take 5 minutes to make a graph and just digest the concept of granularity. All right, then we'll start with grouping and hierarchy. All right, just take a minute and prepare the graph meanwhile. Okay, so should we start? Successful in making a graph or no? Done. Okay, great. All right. Next we will go to, okay. Next we will go to detail. Detail, I'll explain you what does it mean. And so detail has basically same function as color, but if you do not want to change the color of your bars, for example, then you can go here. So for example, I have dragged the product category into column and sales into rows. Okay, now I'll remove this thing. Okay, okay, so I have added the product category here and sales here. So this is a simple graph. Now what I want to do, I want to divide my bars into, say, region wise. So I'll add region into detail. Okay, if I'll add region into detail, so region like this thing category, product category is segregated by region wise, but with the same color. So for example, if I do not drag region here, if I'll drag region into color, the same thing is there, but with a different color. So detail is like similar to colors only, right? So this is how it does that. And now maybe you want to label it. Okay, so then you can label this. All right, or you want to label the region as well, then you can region like this, label this. Okay, all right, clear? This is clear. So detail, very small this thing, so you can explore this. Now before moving to the grouping, I want to show you the sorting of data. We missed on sorting, so just go to your data source once. I'll show you how to sort your data. So this is the data set we have of US Superstore 2015. And we have dragged the order file. Okay, so now if I'll hide this table detail, so see this option is here. So if you click on this option, this setting option, okay, otherwise like those who have the earlier version of Tableau, in that there is a direct option of sort here. Okay, so if you click on that, the same options will be visible. Okay, so if you click on this, what it is showing? It is showing the data source order. So if you want to order my data A to Z, Okay, so I'll click on this A to Z. So this is already modified. So A to Z, I do not mean all the data points. It means the column name, this thing like city, cost, country. This is sorted as A to Z. Now, for example, if I want to sort it as Z to A. Okay, so if you click on Z to A, what will happen? Now see, unit price is the number one column, then state or province, then state of this, then shipping cost, then ship mode, ship data. All right, so then you can do sorting here. Okay, now these two options I'll tell you tomorrow when we do data joining, because when you have a single table, you use first two options. When you have this thing, a multiple table, then you use this option. You want to sort per table. Okay, so this is for the column thing. Now if you want to sort your data, all the data points, right, is in ascending or descending order, then you can click on this. See, now this is ascending order. Okay, similarly, for example, if you want to click on this, now this is ascending order. All right. All right, so this is how you do sorting. Okay, you can explore other options. This we will do, create groups and calculated fit. So for the data points, you can click here. For all the ascending options, you can click here. Okay, so whatever column you want to sort, all the data set will be changed accordingly. So is this clear? How to sort the column wise data in A to Z and Z to A format, and how to sort all the data points. Please let me know if there is any query, or should I repeat this? Please tell me.
Got it.
Got it? Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So data source order, I'll just do it as data source order. Okay. Now, okay, we'll work on grouping now. Okay, now in grouping, what we do, we create groups. Okay, now for example, I want to create a group of region. Okay, now for example, I just drag it back. Okay, okay, so this is the data file we have. Now I want I want to know the region wise sale, for example. Okay, so I drag region and I drag sales, maybe in this. I want it like this, maybe, or this, like whatever, in ascending, in descending order, if you want to change. Okay, now for example, I want to compare the east and west region, like in one group. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll click on this east, then control and click on west. Okay, then click on this thing, group. Okay, or you can right click also, group, or you can click here also, group. So there are 2-3 format, group. If I click on group here, so see, east and west would be in one group. Got it? East or west is in.
Please repeat.
Yes, please, I will do that. Okay, so I'll just okay. So for example, I want region wise sales. Okay, so first I'll create a graph of region wise sales. So I'll drag region, I'll drag sales, or say region wise profit. So I'll drag profit. Okay, so this is my region wise profit. Now I want, or maybe not region wise, maybe you want to know the profit as per the or say product category wise. Okay, product category wise profit you want to see. Now you want furniture and supply in one category. Okay, one group, and technology in other. So how would you create a group? Click on furniture. Okay, then control, like we select in Excel or like in other format. No, control and then the next variable. Okay, Then there is this sign group. You can click on this also, group. Otherwise, you can right click also after selecting, and there is a group. Click on group, then they are in the same group. See, furniture and office supplies. Okay, right? So this is one method for grouping. So now what is there in this? So what Tableau has done, Tableau has created another group. If you want the same graph with the, you do not want the group graph, what you will do, you drag it back and drag product category again here. Okay, now if you want to know one question. Okay, please explain detail concept again. The working, it's same as coloring thing. You please just explore it yourself. Detail is nothing. It is similar as coloring thing. It basically detailed the graph. Okay, there is nothing much to explain in detail. Once you start working on it, you will get used to it. Okay, like when do you need to use detail, when do you want to use color? Basically, it is like that. Okay, right. So see, product category is still here, and I want, now I have created a group. Okay, so where is my group? This product category group. Okay, so product category group is also here. I do not want this. Now I want to use product category group. Okay, so what Tableau do, it does not like remove the original data set. Okay, it generate a new variable, new category group. It is full name is product sub category group, like this. Is this clear? How do we create group? Okay, for example, you want to see the like there is a region wise data for Asia, Pacific, Latin America, Europe, US. Okay, so you want to compare the share of Asia and Africa region with other regions, like this. So as per your client requirement, you can adjust your data set. This is how you create group. This is one method. Another method is data. Is this clear? Any question on this? Anyone, please tell me if there is.
If we want to ungroup,
Yeah,
then we simply delete the file.
yes, delete this, exclude, delete, like this. Okay, so if you exclude, then the totally it will exclude. Otherwise, you just delete this.
No, even from the left hand side tables, we have to delete that, the link that is showing between product category one group.
No, you totally want to delete it, then delete it directly. Okay, if you do not want and you want to keep it, then you can maybe drag it back. It is up to you. The group will be there. Okay, so if you want the original one, you can drag back the original one. You keep it like this. But if you totally do not want it on your screen, then you can delete it. It is your wish. Okay, like this. All right. Now, second.
I'm actually not able to see the combined, categories of furniture, office supplies when I created a group. So can I share my screen?
Yes. Okay. Just one more thing, I'll just show the data window grouping, then we are done with the grouping. Okay, then I'll take the doubt. Okay, so next is data window grouping. This is another method. For example, what I have done, for example, this is my screen. Okay, now I want the sales of sales by product subcategory. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll add product subcategory and sales. Okay, all right. Now I want to do grouping of the product subcategory. So there is one more method. If you will click here in the drop down, and because there is already groups there. So if you want to edit group, because I have already created a group, first I'll delete that subcategory group. This one, wait. Delete. Okay. Now if you click here, there is an option. There might be one more. Wait, there might be one more subcategory group. This is subcategory group. This is delete. Okay. Now create. Okay, now if you just create, then group. If you go here, group. Okay, now for example, I want to add this thing, maybe appliances, maybe not appliances, or bookcases, then control, and this thing, this maybe this pen, paper. Okay, like this. I have selected certain items and then I want to create a group. Okay, and I want to give the name of this group. Okay, so maybe small office appliances. Okay, then okay. Okay, now I want, I do not want product category, I want this group. Okay, so here small office appliances. Okay, so that's how you can create groups. So this is known as data window grouping. Okay, because your graph will remain same and you have generated a different group here. Okay, so there are 2-3 methods to create a group. Yes, now you can share your window, please.
Someone has to unshare this.
I have unshared it.
So this is, I've already created a group. So when I dragged it,
Yes.
it's
Wait. Your screen is not visible to me.
okay.
Yeah.
Now it's visible.
Yes. Now it is visible. Yes.
So I've already created a group over here for product category. Now I drag this like over here. It still shows the same.
So you might have not created it properly. Just go to edit group on this drop down. So see, you have not created any group. Yes, click on furniture, then control plus click on office. Now click on group. No, not okay. Group. Yes. Now rename this group if you want to rename or keep it like this. Okay, apply. See, it is
So
there.
this was one way, but ideally when we create, over here in Tableau, when we, combine both. So I just need to click on this option, right?
Yes.
This icon, right?
Yes. You can click
Yeah,
on this icon also.
Yeah, I did that. So after doing that only, it was showing
You
as
might have not selected it. You just redo this, it will work, because here also you have not created group. Maybe you delete this group, recreate the group by using that icon. No, not exclude, just delete this ungroup. Delete this whole group from the, delete this.
I have to remove this. I mean,
Remove and delete from that pane as well. This left hand side. Now drag product subcategory or product category, whatever it is, drag it. See, it is working. It is working, no? It is there on the screen.
yeah.
Okay.
Now it was earlier it was.
Okay. Yes. Any other question? Anyone on grouping? Anyone, please? It is clear to everybody? Yes, no, still working. Please tell me.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, next I'll tell you how to create hierarchies. Okay. Okay, one more method I'll show you, visual grouping, before moving to hierarchy. My screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes. No? So, okay, so we'll work on visual grouping. Okay. So any graph, like you take it, okay. So I'll tell you how does it work. So for example, here what I have done, okay, I'll just recreate this. Wait. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll drag state and province. Okay, now I'll drag maybe sales. Okay, sales. Now how does visual grouping work? For example, I'll select these. I want to create a group of this. Okay, so I have selected this, and then what I'll do, I'll create a group of this. Okay, so then then what will happen, this group will be presented as one shade, and other would be in different shade. It would be like this. Got it? Right? So if I label this, so these states would be in one group. So see, it is showing Alabama, Georgia, and 18 more. Okay, so you cannot even label it. Okay, right? So this is your one set. So this is how you create visual grouping. This not only in a map form, in any other form as well. For example, you create, for example, say for ship mode, and say profit, ship mode profit. Okay, so I am for example this. Okay, so now you want to do grouping of these two. Okay, so if you right click on this, say group, so now you have created it as a one group. So if you will see, click on this one item, like this will show as a one group. See, delivery truck and express A, and other is your regular A. So this is your visual grouping. It is possible in every form of visual, like directly you select the visual, create a group, then that the selected group would be under one shade and others would be under another shade. It is like that. Clear? Any question on visual grouping? Please tell me.
No, ma'am.
Yes? No? Okay. All right. Next, hierarchies. Hierarchies, how do we create hierarchy? Okay, so for example, I'll just recreate this hierarchy. So Tableau itself create a hierarchy. Okay, so whenever you load a data, it basically gives you hierarchy. So for example, I am assuming there is a no hierarchy here. Okay, now I want to create a hierarchy. Okay, for this product, or say for country. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll hierarchy. Okay, create hierarchy. Okay, now you give a name to hierarchy. For example, say geography. Okay, all right. Okay, so see, this is the symbol for hierarchy. Now you have create hierarchy. Now what all do you want in hierarchy? For example, I want state. Okay, then maybe I want city in this. Okay, so this is how I create hierarchy. Now if you will drag it here, okay, and you drag, for example, sales, or say profit, anything, sales in say color. Okay, now if you click it here, because hierarchy is created, so see, it will show you city data. See, this is your city automatically. Okay, so if you click on this minus sign, it's the same state. If you click on city, so you will get the city data. So that's how you create hierarchy. Just right click and then you can create hierarchy. Any question on hierarchy? Hierarchy.
Let us try it on our own.
Yes, yes, please try it on your own for product. Okay, so this is a like task for you to create a hierarchy for product category. So you can name the hierarchy as product, and then under product you can keep product category and product subcategory. Clear? Yes, please try to create hierarchy for that. So for country, I'll re-explain this. I'll remove hierarchy. You need to create for product. Okay, so this is our data set, for example. Okay, now I want to create hierarchy. So I click on country, click on hierarchy, and then create hierarchy. Okay, if you create hierarchy, then name hierarchy as a geography. Okay. Yes. I'm explaining it from beginning, Deepika and Ram Mohanji. I'm explaining it from beginning. Okay. So created hierarchy. Now country is under geography. Now I have dragged state, because state is smaller than country, right? As we know, and city is smaller than state. So you should know the process of hierarchy. For example, product subcategory would be under product category. Okay. That's how you create hierarchy. So now I have created hierarchy. All right. Now please create a hierarchy for product. Give the name product. Okay. Please create it. Okay, done. All right. So should we go ahead? Ram Mohanji, Deepika Saraf, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Okay, so next I want to show you sets. Okay. Set. So set is also has a same function as grouping, but there are like a different thing. So for example, you want to create a set. No, I'll just remove this and this. So for example, you want to know the profit of subcategory, for example. So profit, if I'll add, okay. Now you want to know the top 10, okay, or top 5 subcategories. Okay, so then you select it 5, okay, and then you create a set. Create set. This already, wait. Profit and product subcategory. Product subcategory. Okay, now you want to know the create a set for top 5. Okay, so this is the symbol for set. Okay, create set. So you can say product category set, or you can add say top 5 profit product subcategory, like this. Okay, right? Then okay. All right. So this is how it worked. Then, oh, what happened?
Please repeat from where you got the create set.
The same way where we got the group, no? The same type. For example, this right click, then create set. Here for group, here for set. Okay, create set, then this maybe, and then okay. There is, because I have already created this thing, no? delete this. If you will do, it will work on your thing. So see, for example, edit set. Okay. Something is not right here. So for example, it is working on your window. Oh, this is for hierarchy. Set, get it. Product subcategory and sales, for example. Now, if we create, first we convert it into ascending or descending. So say 5. So I want to create set 2. Okay. Right now, if you will run then set 2. Is this option working in and out in your file? It should be like this. The like whatever we have select 5 should be under 1 and rest others should be in the gray thing like this. It should be like this. Difference between grouping and set, it is similar. The thing is that in group, like we create a group as per category wise, like we can add different, for example, we can select there is not like very much difference between grouping and setting. Set, you can say top 5 items you can select, top 10 items you can select, or mid items you can select, or some categories you can select, right? Like this. While in grouping, like you can create group with a different name, you want to make a comparison basically, then we use grouping for comparison purpose. For set is also similar. So not very much like in detail and coloring, as I said, it is similar but different. Okay, so I'll share some reading material maybe on the difference between grouping and set, then it would be more clear to you, right? But did you get this, like how to create set? Please tell me if you got this or no. It is same as the group thing. You, instead of selecting group symbol, you need to select on create set and give a name to my set or something like that. Then it would be not clear. Okay, then we need to rework on this. All right. So first you like draw anything, share your screen and draw. Maybe you can share your screen. Yes. So set is basically like custom field, right? Subset of your data. Okay. So you can drag the subcategory into column, yes, and then sales into rows. Okay, then select the last, yes, you have select the last 5 bars. Then right click maybe, or click on the set symbol up. Set symbol is there up? No, click right click here. No, it is not there. Create set, yes. That's it. Okay.
After this, what do I do?
That's it. You have created a set. If you just click
But
outside,
I'm not able to see this in and out the way it was
just click
showing.
outside what it is showing. So in and out is not there. Like up it is set, or it is a product subcategory.
It is a set.
This is there, no? Some problem is there. I'll just check it. Something has happened. Otherwise, we are missing on something. I'll check this. I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay. Some part is missing here, I guess. Okay. I'll just check this. Yeah, I'll tell this tomorrow. Okay. So then next is next, should we start with table calculation, or should I stop here? Please tell me.
I think let's stop and we'll practice this a little.
You will practice this, right? So should we stop here for today? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good, because we have done a lot. So like tomorrow we'll do table calculations, calculated field, and then we'll do data blending and data joining. All right. And if we'll get time, then maybe we can create some dashboard. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay then. And if you have any query, please do let me know on WhatsApp. All right.
Can you please share the Excel file today itself so we can download it and keep it ready?
Which Excel file?
For tomorrow's work? For tomorrow's work?
For tomorrow's work, Monica ma'am has shared, we'll be working on Amazing Mart. For table calculation, we'll be working on the Superstore only. And for data blending and joining, we will be working on Amazing Mart EU data file is there in the same Google Drive, which Monica ma'am has shared. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Gunjan is saying I have got in and out. So how did you get, Gunjan?
I also got.
Okay, you also got. So what were we doing wrong?
So thing is, I had to drag that set of product category to the marks field and select the color option. So
Okay.
it will display only those last
Could you
5.
please share it? Share it, like it will take a minute, then we can close the session. All right, this is good. Yes, this is what we want. So how you did that? Okay, you drag the product subcategory set into color.
Yes, that's what I did.
Okay, all right. Okay, so please create this and send me your screenshots. All right, and still you face any doubt, please let me know. So we can work on this tomorrow. All right, so have a good day. Happy learning. Thank you. So Maksudji, please close the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.